Hello everyone, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗆. I'm Sanjay. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this website for completely free. Like all the resources used in this video is going to be free. So let me first show you the website. Okay, so this website is hosted on a free hosting provider, and as you can see the domain, this domain is free of cost, and also you will be getting a free SSL certificate with it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we'll be creating the website using these 6 simple steps. So the first one is getting a free domain. For that, search for .cf on Google and select the first link. Okay, search for the domain here. And click on the go button. Now that you will be redirected to 𝗏𝗏𝗆. If you search for 𝗏𝗏𝗆 at the first place and search for a domain there, you will end up in an error. So use this method instead. Use .cf website and then redirect it to 𝗏𝗏𝗆. Now you can click on the checkout, and here you can see that the time period by default is 3 months. You can change it to 12 months. As you can see, up to 12 months it's free. Okay, now you just need to verify your email address. Put on your email address in this column and click on the verify my email address button. Okay, here you can see that the verification link has been sent to the email address. So let's check our Gmail account. As you can see, there is a verification mail from 𝗏𝗏𝗆. Click on that email and click on that link to get verified. So you need to add some details of yours here. I'm gonna add my details. Okay, I have just added some random details, but you should not forget your password. You should remember your password. And then click on I have read and agree the terms and conditions, then click on the complete order. Okay, now you can see that the order confirmation page is here. Okay, now on the order confirmation page, don't click on this blue button. Click here to go to your client area. You will end up in a 404 error page. So instead you go to services and select my domains, and you can see that the domain you have bought here, also its status is active. Okay, the first step is completed. We have got a free domain. Now moving on to the second step, getting a free hosting. For that, search for Infinity Free Host on Google. And select this second link. Okay, click on this agree option and click on the register. Now fill up this form. Now accept the terms and condition and clear the CAPTCHA and click on create new account. A verification mail has been sent to our email ID. So now go to your Gmail account and verify your email ID. Okay, you can see that a mail from Infinity Free Host is here, and click on this verify email address. So now the Infinity Free account is created. Now we need to create a hosting account here. For that, click on this create account button and search for a subdomain here. You can search for any domain here because we are not using this domain. We will be using the one that we bought from 𝗏𝗏𝗆. So search for any domain up here. Now clear the CAPTCHA and click on create account. Okay, now you can see that we got our client area and control panel. Select the client area and you will see all our account details over here. So the second step is also completed. We have got a free hosting plan. Now the third step is adding the domain to hosting panel. For that, click on the control panel, click on I approve. Okay, so this is our control panel. Scroll down so you can see that under domains you can see add-on domains. Click on it. Copy this name servers. Now go to Freenom. Okay, we can log in using our email ID and click on services. Under that, my domains. Select manage domain. Click on management tools. Under that, name servers, and change it to use custom name servers and paste the name server that you have copied from Infinity Free Host. Okay, now click on change name servers. Now go back to our control panel and add your domain over here and click on add domain. As you can see, we have successfully added our domain. There is a message saying congratulations, you have been added a new domain to your control panel. If some error shows up, you can wait for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will be successful after that. Now you can see that under the modify add-on domain, you can see that our domain has been added to our website. Okay, so the fourth step is installing an SSL certificate. So let me first tell you what an SSL certificate is. If you see right before our domain name, you can see that a not secure message, and if you click on it, you can see that your connection to this site is not secure. And if you have a valid SSL certificate, you can see a green padlock like this, and if you click on it, it will say like connection is secure. So let's see how you can add that green padlock on our website. For that, click on the free SSL certificates. Click on new SSL certificate and type in your domain name here. Click on check domain. Now you can see that there are 4 options over here. I am choosing the Let's Encrypt one and click on the choose provider. And if you see, the current destination is not ready, so we need to change our CNAME records. We need to add some CNAME record. For that, go to control panel, and if you scroll down, you can see under advanced, you can see a CNAME records. Click on it, and you need to add the record name, domain and destination. For that, go to the SSL certificate area and copy the record name and paste it over here, which says source, and select the domain. By default it will be our domain name, so you don't have to change it. Now copy the destination address and paste it over here and click on the add button. Now you can see that our CNAME record has been added. Now let's go back to our SSL certificate page. Just refresh your page. As you can see, the current destination is still not ready, so let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now you can see that our current destination is ready now, so the CNAME record change has been successfully completed. It took me like around 30 minutes or something, so if your status is not ready, then just wait for 30 to 60 minutes. Now go to our control panel, then scroll down to security. Under that, SSL TLS. Now click on the configure button, and we need to add a private key and also a certificate over here. For that, click on the free SSL certificate and click on verify, and click on verify domain. Okay, now you can see that we are requesting an SSL certificate. Just refresh your page and you can see that SSL certificate is here. To view the SSL certificate, you can click on the show button Okay, you can see the private key and certificate. Just copy the private key and paste it over here and click on upload key. Now go back and copy the certificate. Now go to the cPanel and paste your certificate over here and click on upload certificate. Okay, the uploading is completed. Now go to your SSL certificate area and refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, the status is still no SSL certificate was found, so just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now you can see that there is a valid SSL certificate over here. So it took me like just 2-3 minutes for me. Now we can just check our domain and see if there is a valid SSL certificate. Okay, you can see that there is a green padlock over here and it says connection is secure. So our fourth step is completed. We have installed a free SSL certificate. Moving on to the fifth step, which is installing WordPress. For that, go to your control panel and scroll down. Under software, you can see that 𝗏𝗏𝗆𝗃 app installer. Click on it and choose the first option which says WordPress and click install. Now choose the latest version of WordPress and select the HTTPS in the installation URL and select your domain name. Here's an error saying a trusted SSL certificate was not found, but that's not a problem because we have already installed an SSL certificate. Now if you want, you can change your site name. I'm changing it to Fenny Group. After that, add your username, which is for your WordPress dashboard. You just need to add a username and password. Now scroll down and click on the install button. Okay, the installation process has been started. Just wait until it is finished. Okay, our installation has been successfully completed. Now you can see our site URL and also our administrative URL over here. Let's click on our site URL. Okay, our website is ready now. Now let's jump on to our dashboard URL, which is administrative URL. Okay, you can see our dashboard and our fifth step is completed. We have successfully installed WordPress. Okay, now moving on to our final step, which is installing a theme, template and required plugins. Go to your dashboard and go to appearance, click on themes and click on add new. Now search for 𝗏𝗏𝗆. For me, the 𝗏𝗏𝗆 is already over here, so I'm not searching. If you don't see 𝗏𝗏𝗆 over here, you can just search for 𝗏𝗏𝗆 in the search bar and click on the install button. After the installation, you can click on the activate button. Now you can see that the theme has been installed. Now go to plugins, click on add new and in the search bar search for Elementor. Now install the first plugin, click on install now. Next we can search for starter. And install the first plugin, starter templates. After the installation, we will be redirected to this page. Click on build your website now and choose Elementor. In here you can see a lot of templates. You can choose any one of it. Okay, I'm selecting this one and click on skip and continue. Now you can change your color option. I'm going with the default one and scroll down. Now click on continue. Now you don't need to fill up this, just click on submit and build my website. And the installing process has been started. Okay, as you can see, our template has been installed successfully. Now click on view your website. Okay, our website is almost ready, but if you see in the menu section, you can see that our menu is not yet ready. So go to your dashboard and click on pages and all pages. We just need to check whether if we have all our pages ready. As you can see, we have the pages. We just need to add it to our menu. For that, go to appearance, click on menus, and over here select your menu as main menu. Click on select. If you don't have one, you can easily create one by clicking create a new menu. After that, just remove the about page. Now on the left side, you can see that all our pages are here. Just select all except the sample page and click on add to menu. Now click on the save menu. Now if you want to rearrange your menu, you can just drag and move around. Now click on save menu. Now let's visit our site and see our menu has been added or not. Okay, as you can see that our menu is ready now. And that's it, we have created a completely free website. So if you guys are having any doubts related to this video, you can contact me. I'll provide my contact details in the description box, and also I'll provide the social media handles of 𝗏𝗏𝘆, you can follow it. And if this video helped you guys, please give me a thumbs up, and if not, just dislike the video. Okay, please use these free resources if you are learning WordPress web designing. You can use these free resources for learning WordPress web designing, but if you are planning to create a website for your business, I recommend you to buy premium domain name and hosting, as this is a free plan. It has a lot of limitations and drawbacks. So go on with the premium hosting and domain name if you are planning to create a website for your business. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.